Hey everyone! Ready to create your very own signature perfume at home? Let's dive right in and whip up a scent that's uniquely you. First things first, you'll need some essential oils. These are the main ingredients for your perfume. Go for a mix of top, middle, and base notes to get a well-rounded scent. Think of top notes like citrus or light florals. Middle notes could be something like lavender or jasmine. And base notes are usually deeper scents like vanilla or musk. Grab a small glass bottle, around 20 to 30 milliliters will do. Add about 15 drops of your top note, 10 drops of your middle note, and 5 drops of your base note. Remember, you can always adjust the ratio to get the scent just right for you. Next, we need a carrier oil to dilute these essential oils. Jojoba oil or sweet almond oil works great. Fill the rest of the bottle with your chosen carrier oil, leaving a little space at the top. Now shake it up. Give it a good shake and let it sit for about 48 hours. This gives the oils time to meld together and form your signature scent. After waiting, give it a little sniff test. If you feel it needs more of a certain note, just add a few more drops and shake again. And there you have it, your very own custom-made signature perfume. Spray it on and enjoy the compliments rolling in. Making perfume at home is not just fun, it's also a great way to ensure you're wearing something truly unique. Have fun experimenting with different combinations, and let me know in the comments what your favorite mix is. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY and fragrance tips. Catch you next time!